Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel, and in this week's bake along I'm going to show you how to make these amazing vegan chocolate chip cookies. So let's get going. To start with, we're going to add 75 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 100 grams of plant-based butter to our bowl, and we're going to mix them with our hand mixer to make sure all those lumps from the brown sugar are broken up and everything's nice and incorporated. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 175 grams of self-raising flour and 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk, and again we're mixing until they're nice and combined and our dough is nice and fluffy. Finally, we're adding 100 grams of our vegan chocolate chips, and then I'm going to give them one last stir with a spoon just to make sure everything's nice and evenly distributed. Now we're going to add them onto our baking trays, and we're going to give really big dollops of cookie dough for them because we want really nice sized cookies. And once they're on the baking tray and we've used up all the mix, we're just going to go ahead and give them a little press down to flatten them off slightly. Make sure you evenly space them when you add them to your trays. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and bake them at 320 for 18 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown like these ones, which look perfect. And then I'll show you what they look like inside. You can see how nice and crumbly and gooey they look. They are amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this quick bake along. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.